Welcome to the Staver Health YouTube channel. Today, I'm excited to share a special recipe with you. Each ingredient in this recipe plays a vital role in boosting the immune system and helping to keep the body strong and healthy. Let's dive right in. First up, we have 50 grams of fresh ginger, peeled and chopped. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress caused by free radicals. It's also known for its ability to ease digestive issues and boost immune response. Next, we add the juice of 1 orange. This isn't just any fruit juice. Orange juice is rich in vitamin C, which is crucial for repairing tissues and enhancing the function of the immune system. Its natural sweetness also brings a fresh flavor to our mix. Following the orange, we squeeze in 1 lemon. Lemons, like oranges, are high in vitamin C, but also contain a good dose of potassium, which can improve nerve function and blood pressure regulation. Its zest adds a tangy kick that enhances the overall flavor profile. Then, we add a teaspoon of turmeric, known for its curcumin content. Curcumin is a bioactive compound that supports the body's natural anti-inflammatory processes, helping to maintain healthy immune function and combat potential infections. Finally, we blend everything with 200 milliliters of spring water to ensure all the ingredients combine smoothly. Spring water is chosen for its purity and mineral content, supporting overall health and wellness. Once blended, strain the mix to ensure a smooth consistency. Drink 15 to 20 milliliters of this vibrant mix every morning on an empty stomach. Stored in the fridge, it can last up to 2 weeks. This recipe is not just a part of my daily routine, it's a testament to the power of natural ingredients in maintaining health and vitality. This recipe plays a big part in helping to keep the immune system strong and healthy. Comment below how you support your immune system. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips from the Staver Health YouTube channel. In part 2, we dive deeper into the science behind each ingredient and how they collectively support health. Click the video you see here for part 2. Thank you for watching, and remember, a strong immune system is your best defense against illness.